What in heaven's name? Oh, hey everybody, it is Smiley. And so I finally got it, y'all. Okay, so anyway. So today I am doing kind of a purse reveal, I guess. I mean, it's not really that big of a deal. I mean, you know, it's just Michael Kors. I'm not gonna say it's just Michael Kors, because the thing about it is, not too long ago I wasn't but a step jumping hop away from a Michael Kors bag. So I'm not gonna say they're just Michael Kors bags. But anyway, so after making like that big purchase, splurging for my birthday, I was like, you know, I want like a small, kind of like everyday type of bag. Right now I'm carrying, it's just a little, it's a gold tote that I got from Coach a long time ago. It's a bag that I really like. It's a really pretty bag, but at the same time it's a big one. So I kind of wanted to downsize and get smaller bags, because the bigger the bag, the more stuff you carry. And so I don't want to be a hoarder, and I don't want to be carrying a lot of stuff on the daily. So I ended up getting these smaller bags just so I had kind of like other options that I could wear every day. And I really didn't want to spend a lot of money on a bag that I was carrying like constantly. So I got these. They're still cute, they're still stylish, and they're small bags that I can carry a lot more often, I feel, than, you know, the other two bags that I recently purchased. So this right here is one of those bags. I feel like this one's a little bit more dressy. And let me, yeah, there we go. So I feel like this one could be a little bit dressy or whatever, but also it's small and it's lightweight. Let's see. So I guess we just kind of go through, and they've got the dust bag inside. It's so much paper, y'all. Okay, more paper. Stop. What is this? What is these? Okay. All right, so this right here is the bag. That's really cute, right? I know some people don't like kind of like how they have the logo all over the bag, but I felt this was cute. It's small, and also it's something you can dress up, dress down, but it's also like this light pink. I feel like it's pretty neutral of a color that you can wear with a lot of different shades and a lot of different things. So they've got this big front pocket here, still got some stuff in it. All right, so this got the little booklet in there. So they've got this big pocket in the front. They've got this larger pocket here in the middle. And in here they have a little section you can put your cards. I don't know if you all can see it though, but it's at the front of this section right there. And then it's got this back section. So it's got 3 different sections on it. These 2 larger sections, and then it's got a front pocket here. So that is the bag. Very simple, very small, nice and neat. So I really like this. And then of course it has a much larger handle on it. And I guess I'll try to show what it looks like. It looks like it's a gold chain. Let's see though. Oh lordy. So much mess. My house is a mess right now. It's sad. It's sad how messy my house is. I'm honestly ashamed. Like, all right, so it's got partial gold chain, and then it's got pink. Come on off, man. You ain't got all day. Okay. Anyway, so if you want to carry it by the longer handle here, you definitely can. And it's just on these sides. All right, so on these sides, it has this little gold piece right here, and it has a loop connected to it. So you just take this right here, which it doesn't have, it's just a clip here. So just clip that on. And if you want to, you can wear this back over your shoulder, which I know it's not clipped on this side, but we'll clip it right quick. So yeah, so this bag, you can wear it like this right here. And then it snaps in the front. So there's a place for it to snap here. There we go. All right, and that just kind of falls right at my waist. For context, I'm 5 foot, but of course with this, it is adjustable. So you can always make adjustments here. It's got your holes right there, you can make adjustments. That is this bag. Simple, cute, not very large. Neutral colored, so I love this bag. We're gonna open the second one. I ordered 2. I initially thought I ordered 3, but I guess I only ordered 2. This one, this is not an everyday bag. This is a bag that I would wear for like special events. But look at that. Bling, 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 bling. But yeah, so this bag I fell in love with. I've been watching it on the site for months. And so it kept going down in price. Like it kept going down, and I just follow up on the website and I'm like, wow, like this is the cheapest it's been thus far. So, you know, this was a bag that I saw, and let's get this open. That's weird. Ah, y'all ain't see that. All right, so anyway, this bag I saw on the website. I fell in love with it. It's not very big. It's set up a little bit different than the last one that we went through. It's so many papers, it's ridiculous. All right, there's a dust bag on this one. So this one has a lot of pockets. So first of all, we're gonna talk about the outside really quick. So this outside, it's made with silver sequins. And this, actually the way that it opens, we're gonna open it real quick. So, see it? And it just closes down like that. And then to open it, there's this little button right there. And you have to press that down and then pull this up. So that's how it opens, very simple. And then inside here, it's got this one big pocket here, or this one big section, and then it's got a pocket inside of it. And then it's got your zipper piece, your little zipper area there. And then you got another big section back here. And then I think this also has a section with a zipper as well. All right, so that is this bag. The other features, it does have a pocket back here, which is neat. So it's got a pocket back here, and this snaps. Now I'm gonna take this off. I'm probably end up having to cut it. I'm gonna get some scissors and I'm gonna cut this, and I'm gonna be right back. This one is not adjustable like the previous one. So where this one falls, it just kind of falls, which that one's perfect. It's at my waist. But of course, I'm sure if you wanted to carry this with the shorter strap, then you could always double it like that. So it's a normal length. But if you want to do an arm strap thing, you can do it like that, and then just make it a little arm bag instead of like a long bag all the way to your hip. All right, so last week I did a Michael Kors haul. However, I didn't post it because like I told y'all, it just felt like something wasn't right. Like I had a feeling, I knew I'd gotten 3 bags, but for whatever reason, I didn't know where the 3rd bag was. So apparently the 3rd bag was in a completely different box and it had a different address that it came from. I guess maybe 2 came from like an actual Michael Kors store, and then 1 came from like their kind of like a storage facility or something like that. So that's why I didn't recognize it when it came in. So I didn't initially see it. So that's why I didn't open it. Out of the 3, this probably is more of a bag that you could wear every day. However, you know, the pink one, that one I feel like is very neutral too. And it's one that you could probably wear, you know, like if you're going to work or something like that, which, you know, normally I would be going to work every day or at least 3 days out of a 5-day work week. So that being said, I feel like that one is a lot more appropriate for work every day. All right, so just snaps on here. Okay. On the back, there's this pocket here. It snaps closed. It's got the 2 snaps, so it snaps in 2 places on the front. And then you've got your pouch here. And then you can put your cards. There's a card section in the back. I don't know how well you all can see it. There it is. It's a card section in the back. You've got this zipper pouch back here. This handle, it is adjustable. Thank you all again so much for watching. Thank you all again so much for supporting. Stay safe, stay healthy. I will leave a link in the description box down below if anybody's interested in either of these bags. Some of them, they might be out of stock. I don't really know, but I'll always make a note for you all. So if I go and I see that it's out of stock, I'll most definitely note it. Other than that, that's it. So I will see y'all later.